So is this native to Louisiana then?
Native to Louisiana. This dish was developed by the Creole and the Cajun. The Creole is a mix of the African mixed with the French, create a Creole, and the Cajun is those who didn't want to be in the British Crown, and they moved them to Louisiana and forced them to live there. So those two group of people create a food we call Creole and Cajun food. So from the bayou, you have shrimp, you have lobster, you have all those other stuff. So we use what we have to create a meal, one pot dish we call jambalaya.
Oh.
Three all day.
So is it just vegetables you've got on now?
No. After that, we're going to put that. We start going to put sausage, chicken, and shrimp, and then we come with the rice and the stuff to make it the one pot meal.
I think we'll have some of that. Thank you very much.
Taking a step to the side with the right, a step behind with the left, a step to the side with the right, and a tap. And then we're going to go back in the other direction. So we're going to step to the left, step behind with the right, step to the left, and tap. So when we do it a little bit quicker, it looks like this in 5, 6, 7, 8. So right, behind, right, and tap, left, behind, left, and tap. When you bring your feet together,
again.
That you can get. Now the rib eye, or the tomahawk ribs, comes from the 6th through the 12th bone on the cow, okay? And what I look for when I go into the butcher is the biggest, fattest spinalis, and it's the end cap of the steak. It's where the most intermuscular marbling is. It's the least worked portion. You're gonna take a little bit of that avocado oil. Now that's the lightest color oil that you have up front. Now we use the avocado oil because a higher smoke point has great flavor, higher smoke point. We get over the fire, it doesn't release carcinogens as quick, and we're gonna be able to bind the seasoning. It helps adhere the smoke to the steak, and it's beautiful. So yeah, no, that's a pro job right there. There you go. And hey, I say with cooking salt, there's not a lot of secrets to it. Literally, we've been doing this for millions of years. So.